Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox chat or friends list not working. If chat or your friends list isn't loading, first of all check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or vice versa to rule out network issues. Also make sure that you're connected on a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then go ahead and clear cache or reinstall if needed. To clear cache on Android, open settings, click on open iPhone storage, then go to Roblox. After that, offload the app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Then also ensure that you're not restricted by your parental controls or privacy settings. Log out and back in, and your friends list and chats should be updated correctly. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.